Guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can share Telegram link on Facebook. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Telegram app. After you do that, you'll be going to the channel of which you want to share the Telegram link of. So I'm going to choose this one. You just press over here, and on your top right corner you'll be finding this three dot option. Just go over here and then go to boost channel and go a bit down until you find this link. Just copy your link from here, or you can go to share option, and from here you can choose Facebook. Scroll a bit, you will be having this Facebook option. You can go over there and you can share your link on Facebook. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.